device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system.
This has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal
Warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glenn, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Shasta. At 10 a.m. This has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal 16 and the relative humidity is 9%. The wind was at 5 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.85 inches and rising. In Red Bluff, cloudy. Temperature 74. North wind 5 miles an hour. Elsewhere across the region at 10 a.m. At Chico, haze and smoke were being reported. Temperature 73. Northwest wind 6 miles an hour. Marysville under partly sunny skies. 76 degrees. North wind 7 miles an hour. Sacramento, sunny. 73. Fairfield, smoke was reported.
Yep. So they still did the weekly. Nice.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible,
Nope.
Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin,
Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device.
This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
The forecast for the northern Sacramento Valley and minor cities of Redding and Red Bluff today: sunny. Patchy smoke. Highs around 95.
This is the first weekly test featuring this radio right here. Now, unfortunately, this does not have 1050 hertz. So that's just one of those weather monitor ones. Let's go check out the other radios in the room. So the HH activated and 74-210 got it. Nice. They were actually early today. I'm impressed.